What's going on, everyone? This is where I started having audio issues with the mic. Somehow it got disconnected while I was teaching, so I'm gonna try teaching it to you guys while through this mic. So hopefully it's not too weird. Anyways, let's get to the lesson. Anyway, so let's continue. So we're gonna go from 7, 8. You're gonna go around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on kiss on the 8. So from there, you're going to move on. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to slowly start bringing your arms in. And by 4, your right hand should be on your left cheek. And then you're going to be bringing in your left foot into a bevel like this one. Okay, so slowly bring it up and then bring your right hand onto your cheek. And then from there, your right hand's going to do a couple flicks on the 5, 6. Like a flick, very much like you're kind of like flicking water at someone. It's just very simple. It doesn't have to be too heavy, just very loose. Flick. All right, from there you're gonna shoot out into 7 to the 7, 8. So from there so the hands are pretty much gonna be out like that, like don't stop, don't shoot, whatever and whatnot. So very almost like locking. And then from there your left foot should come out, all the way should be straight. Most of the way should be on your right side, and you're hinging forward. Okay. So into that motion, you're not really straight up. So from there, from the flick up. So all hands are opened up, hinging forward. Most of the weight should be on your right. So it should be lunging to the right side, and you should be looking down on 7, then look up on 8. All right, so let's take it back from the kiss. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, flick 5, 6, flick 5, 6, down 7, look up 8. So from there, you're gonna move forward. So moving forward, you're gonna move into the next part. You're gonna push up. Left foot should be come up straight. So push down like you're coming up on a table. Left foot comes up like you're kicking someone's shin. So those counts should be 1, 2. Your right hand should be in front of your chest, nice and straight. Another weird stuff I'm doing right now. Left hand's behind. You repeat again on the other side. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I don't know why my hand is extended when it should be in the back. That's my mistake. And so then from there, you're going to push your shoulder and slide to the right. And, that should be fairly simple. Just a simple step and you slide. So from there, you push your shoulder down, kind of a scooping motion down. All right. So from there, you're going to point with your right hand and your left foot. So it should be, most of the way should be on your right leg. And then from there, you should do a nice sweeping motion or rond de jambe. So bring that leg around, okay? And your hand also follows suit. And it kind of also goes across the chest to finish it. So notice that I'm sweeping as I'm doing a rond de jambe with my left, my right hand is also following, okay? And from there, you should pivot on your right to step on your left, and then kind of lean back and look away. Okay, you can pop your foot, or you can keep it straight. It's up to you. But make sure that as you're sweeping that leg around, make sure your right hand is also following, kind of, and tracing it across the chest, and then you look away on the 1. All right, so let's take it back to like from the top of this part. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, that's just so you guys know the tempo, what it looks like. Let's actually take it back and slow it down a little bit more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look 8. Push 1 down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And that's it. So let's do it again and go a little faster. So from the 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. All right, so let's do it again. Here you go. 6. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. All right, so now let's take it from the top. We're going to start off slow, medium, and then let's pick it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, so let's move on. You're doing great. Now let's do it a little faster. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, so one last time, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Great job. Hope you guys enjoyed this little change up with the audio, and I'll see you in the next video.